Welcome to the Foras Portal. My name is Robert, and in this video I am going to show you how you can use the portal and try different ways on the portal to find jobs and apply to them. Alright, so let's go to the portal, foras-jobs.com or .org, the same thing. Just go ahead and click enter and then quickly sign in. Okay, this is the landing page, which is the dashboard that is showing right now. Whenever you sign in, it will take you to the dashboard page. This is your page, dashboard page, and at the bottom of this very same page, you will see a recommended jobs for you section, where the system recommends jobs to you based on relevancy between the job description found on the job vacancies posted and your CV. So the system matches your CV with the job descriptions and says, hey, these are suitable jobs for you. These might be the ones you're looking for. So that's a good way to find the jobs you're looking for. Or if you look at here at the top of the page on this orange bar, you will find a job section as well as an advanced search. These are two places where you can find jobs and look for them. So if you click on find a job, you will see that the jobs have been categorized by province in this one. So in the Erbil province, there are this number of jobs. In Najaf, this number. In Karbala, this number of jobs. In Basra, this number of jobs. And if you click on more, it will show you the rest of the provinces in the country. Here we have jobs by role. For example, you're looking for a job with a management role. So all of the jobs with a management role, 49 jobs, but these are not in one province. These are from all different provinces in the country. So these are 49 jobs with management roles across the country. Jobs by company. So if you click on more, it will show you a full list of all of the companies that have jobs. And if you click on one company, it will tell you what other jobs they have posted. And if you click on one job, it will show you the description. So I'm going to go back to the page. And then we have jobs by industry. And this is different from job by role. This is your role in the company. This is the company's industry. So for example, you could be working for an oil and gas company, but with a management role. That would be your role in that company. Company is working in oil and gas, but your role is management, or your role is sales or engineering. And if you click on more, it will show you all of the other industries. So this is one way you could categorize jobs and filter them. Another way would be to go to the advanced search, and if you hover your mouse over this, you will find a menu, a list of other functions. So I'm going to just click on the main section and it will give me the menu items here on the lower bar. So the first one is search jobs. As you can see, this is a simple search tool that you can use by typing in keywords. For example, English teacher, trainer, translator. Okay, I'm looking for these jobs, a job as an English teacher, as a trainer, as a translator. There are a few points here. One is that when you type in your keywords, separate the keywords by a single space. Don't put in commas or anything. So just English teacher, space, trainer, space, translator. That's how the system would best process it. And then another important thing is these criteria below this field. All of these words means give me only results, only those job vacancies that have all of these words in the job description or in the title. English teacher, trainer, translator. And this would really limit your results. It might give you very few results or sometimes no results, because seldom you'll find a job like that is an English teacher job. It's also a trainer position and it's a translator position at the same time. On the other hand, we have an exact phrase option, which means Not only do I want the job description to contain all of these words, but I want it to be in this exact same phrase and the same order and all of that. English teacher, trainer, translator, which I think would be impossible. So the best option would be the one in the middle, any one of these words, which means give me any result that contains the word translator or trainer or teacher or English or all of them or two of them. So that would be the best option. And then after that, you choose your province. Where do you want to work? I want to work in Erbil. If you want to work in more places, you can add more. And then company, industry, what industry do you want your company to be working in? In this case, I don't care what industry it is, as long as it is an English teacher or it's a trainer or it's a translator, for example, position. I don't care if it's a university English teacher or it's a company English teacher where you teach the staff how to speak English, as long as it's English teacher, for example. And then save your search. I'm going to save as English teacher, trainer, translator. And I'm going to tell you why this is important to save your search. It's important because once you save your search, you don't have to log on to the website every day and do the same search. You don't have to, for example, come back next week and say, I'm looking for a job as an English teacher, trainer, translator, because you have saved the search, and the system will send you an email daily or weekly or monthly and notify you of new positions that match with this search, with these criteria. For example, if next week there is a new job as an English teacher, the system will send me an email, and in this case, I have chosen daily, which means on the same day, it will give me an email and say, hey, there's a new position posted on the portal that matches with your search, English teacher, trainer, translator, and it gives you the link so you can follow. So I'm going to click search. Now this search gives me 100 results for English teacher, trainer, and translator, and these are all the results. So if we look at here, English teachers, translator, Kurdish teacher. Plus there is some more filters over here to make even these results more specific, to narrow down even this by job role. For example, you can choose among the ones, all the results that I have, you can choose, for example, show me only the ones that are with, like, they are in education or training. Click on that and it will give you only the ones that are about education or training, teachers, and then things like that. Or by company, industry, or you can narrow down by gender, by career level, by monthly salary if those jobs have a monthly salary range specified, or by company type or company name. You can use these filters to make your searches even more specific. Now let's say you find one that you like and you click on it, for example this one. Okay, you want to apply to this job after you've read the job description and you think you qualify, so you just click on apply now and then apply now at the bottom. Going back, or you can email it to a friend if you think you don't qualify or you don't like it. Just email it to a friend who qualifies or is interested, or you can save this job. Why would you save it? Because sometimes you don't have time to look at it carefully, or you know it takes some time and you want to do it later. So just save it, and I'm going to tell you where you can find it. Well, from this company means how many other jobs this company has posted, or you can print this job description. And then I'm going back one more step. Okay, now you can also organize, like, sort these jobs by relevancy, by title from A to Z or Z to A, or by company name, or by date posted. For example, the newest job, I want the newest one to be on top. Loyalty retention manager, human resources assistant. Of course, these are not the jobs that I've been looking for, but somewhere in the job description they contain the words English teacher or English or trainer or translator or things like that. Okay, now on the same advanced search bar, we have an advanced search. Click on that. And in this one, you can see it's the same thing as the search jobs function, but it's more detailed. It has more filters like job role, company industry, company type, gender, minimum salary, career level, employment status, whether you want full-time or part-time, employment type, host language, and then the same save as option. And then the next thing, by company, it gives you a list of all the companies that have jobs. This is basically the same thing that we saw on the dashboard page. Saved searches, this is where you'll find your saved searches. The search that I saved is here, English teacher, trainer, translator. You can delete. I'm going to delete this one because it has been repeated. Or you can edit this one to change keywords or criteria, or to change the relevancy here, daily, weekly, monthly, for the email notification. Or you can click on show result to run this search again, just one single click. I'm going to go back, and then we have saved jobs. If you click on that, you will find the jobs that you have saved, the ones that you wanted to look at later or to check out at a more suitable time where you can focus. Okay, if you're not interested in this one anymore, or it has expired, you can just click on this one and then delete it. I think that's about everything I can show you about the portal. So please make sure you go onto the portal and do a search, a really good search, and find the jobs that you really want to do. Good luck to you.